Hi guys, Dr. Sarah Yovinu here at Ideal Face and Body, and I'm super excited. I just got my new beauty box here, and it is full of 27 hand-picked full-size products that were curated by the editors of NewBeauty as the most amazing products that they have seen over this past year. So I'm super excited. I unboxed it so to make it easier to go over, and I grouped it into skincare, hair and nails, facial creams, and body, you know, whether it's creams or eau de toilette or whatever. But I want to go over some of these because it's just like so great. And I put on the mascara, this Lancome Flutter Extension mascara. I just put that on, and that's what I'm wearing right now. Love it because it's curling my lashes, and that's a big problem I have. So I love that. Whoops. Okay. So this Beauty Pie lip pencil. There is this Lancome lips, it's kind of like a lip hydrator, which love, love, love. Let's see. There is a Grande Lash to make my lashes grow, which is great. Thrive Cosmetics. It is a black eyeliner, and it doesn't really rub off that easily, which is, you know, great, because my makeup usually is down my face by the end of the day. Laura Geller has a blush that has a nice little shimmer to it too. There is a tightening neck cream by NA 114. I don't know if that's a brand or what. There is a eye cream. So just a bunch of great products. Setting spray, although I do love Patrick Starr's setting spray. There's deep foaming cleansers, one for acne, one as an apple butter cleansing balm. This one's applied with dry skin. Some press-on nails. This is a leave-in conditioner by Velvet, which is great. I already sprayed it in my hair. Dry shampoo by Wow. I love their like hair tamer, which I use. It's more like a thing. Here's the nails. This was some facial collagen eye peptide wipes. Now we get into this, you know, facial creams and things like that. There is a sulfur spot treatment for acne, which I'll probably be giving that to my kids. There is a dark spot corrector. I mean, just a lot of great brands. Hydrinity, Daily Retinol. There's this one, which is Hannah Cure. It is like a, hold on, where's my glasses? It is, I remember this one had something special in it. I don't know, but it's from Hannah Cure. It's a nano emulsion. I said the sulfur thing, the hydrator, Elastin skincare, a night corrector, a skin oil, skin serum, and then there's a body balm, which has melatonin and magnesium in it, by Nakery Beauty, a JLo Beauty Ultimate Body Serum. It has peptides, clay, and AHAs, which is great. And then there is a parfum spray by We Wore What, and that finishes out the luxury beauty box, 27 full-size products from NewBeauty.